Well, here's Hurricane Zeta, or Zeta, whatever you want to call it. There goes the power. Power's going out now. It is, let's see here, 8:46 in the evening, October 28th, 2020. Welcome to Citronelle, Alabama, which is in Mobile County in South Alabama. We are about an hour away from getting the eye wall. Power is wanting to go out. There's been several power flashes all over the place. As soon as power goes out, I will turn on my flashlight. I've got an actual flashlight. I thought, being that I don't have very many tornado videos, I would give you all those are vehicles. There's one vehicle and there's the other one. And there's a big bulldozer, or small bulldozer. It's only a 450 John Deere. We're getting a little bit of debris now. That wind is getting strong. We're probably getting 40, maybe 50 mile per hour winds out of this now. Trying to light up a hickory tree here for you. There it is. There's a better view of this hickory. It's really hard to video a hurricane in the dark, but I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of a glimpse of it. Here's a dogwood tree. It's just swaying in the breeze, basically. Gonna try this. There we go. I'll try and hold this still so you can get a good idea of the wind here. Well, that just came down. Almost took the fence out. That limb there. Come out of one of these big oaks here. Enough with the flashlight. We're just gonna video this for a few minutes. I will try to do some editing this time. Normally I don't edit my videos, and I'm sure that's why I've only got a couple people that have watched. I will do a little bit of editing here, but really all you're going to have on this video is a lot of wind sounds, so maybe when the power goes out I can use the light a little bit better off, but let's see what happens here. Alright, I turned my porch lights off so I can see. Let's see if it helps the camera any. Oh yeah, there we go. Now you can see the ground at least. I'm getting soaked right now. You can see the hammock there. These are twin hickory trees and a single hickory over here, and a big red oak over here. And that thing is swaying like a toothpick. Sorry for all the bangs. That's acorns or acorns, depending on where you're from. It is going to be pretty intense here shortly. I'm not sure if I'm going to be outside in the videoing on this while it gets pretty terrible. It's pretty neat how the water just floats there. I apologize, I am a pretty bad cameraman, but we'll see what we can get out of this. Here comes another wind here. There's the hammock. Forgot to take that down. See if I can get over here to these trees. Barely. Okay. I'll open back up here. There's a real big one there. Hoping nothing happens with it. We go right across our house. And it looks like there's a hanging limb right there. There we go. Got a little bit of wind here. Of course, as soon as I start videoing over here, the wind quits blowing. These are just little breezes. Oh, there's power flashing over there, so here comes some strong wind. I use my light here, see if I can see anything. Probably can just hear it better than I can see it. Here it is. Getting my phone soaked on the front. Luckily it's not too bad on it, I don't think. The power flashes are coming from about 3 miles away, 1 to 3 miles, depending on where exactly it's at. But there's about a minute in between them, so I would assume the wind is blowing anywhere from 50 to 65 miles per hour. Just judging by that. I know you can't go directly by that, but that's a pretty good little guess. Alright, I'm going to turn my flashlight off so I can conserve a little bit of battery here. Right through here is the city of Citronelle. I can still see light over that way, so I know that they have power right now. That probably is going to change here within the next hour. Yeehaw, and I guess we'll giddy up and get through this one again. Last time I looked, there was another one developing in the exact same spot that Zeta did. Zeta, whatever. Whichever one you want to call it. That was lightning. That should not be happening right now. Anyway, I'm going to go on and call this video here over, and I will see y'all on the next one, or y'all will see darkness on the next one. I'm going to wait until the storm gets a little closer. Anyway, bye.